Welcome to Kiddo Quiz 9. Where are the Rocky Mountains? Where are the Rocky Mountains? North America. A mighty mountains in North America. Second question. Who is known as the Tiger of Mysore? Who is known as the Tiger of Mysore? It's Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan, who faced the British with all courage. He is known as the Tiger of Mysore. Third question. Which part of our digestive system is the longest part? Which is the longest part in our digestive system? It is the small intestine. Compared to other parts, the small intestine is very long. Fourth question. Which state does Narendra Modi, the Indian Prime Minister, hail from? Which state does Narendra Modi, the Indian Prime Minister, hail from? It is Gujarat. Gujarat state. He hails from there. Fifth question. Whose birthday do we observe on the occasion of Janmashtami? Whose birthday do we observe on the occasion of Janmashtami? Shri Krishna. Shri Krishna. Sixth question. Who is the founder of Jainism? Who is the founder of Jainism? Lord Mahavira. Mahavira is the founder of Jainism. Seventh question. What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? It is Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Eighth question. What part of speech is an action word? What part of speech is an action word? An action word is a verb. The answer is verb. Ninth question. Which is the lowest 4-digit number? Which is the lowest 4-digit number? $1,000. 1 is followed by 3 zeros. Hence there are 4 digits. So 1000 is the lowest of all the 4-digit numbers. 10th question. Which bird builds its nest inside human dwellings? Which bird builds its nest inside our houses, our human dwellings? The tiny little bird, the sparrow. Sparrow is known to find out a place inside human dwellings, maybe behind the mirror or above the showcase. It will find out some place in the attic, and it builds its nest there and lays the eggs. 11th question. Which is the biggest fish? Which is the biggest fish? It is shark. Shark is the biggest fish. Some of you may think, oh, it's whale. Whale is not a fish. Whale is a mammal. So whale can't be considered here. Of all the different breeds of fish, kinds of fish, shark is the largest. 12th question. Which wild animal has a horn on its nose? Which wild animal has a horn on its nose? It is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros, they have a horn on their nose. 13th question. What is a female lion called? What do you call a female lion? Lioness. Lion is masculine gender. Lioness is feminine gender. 14th question. Where do we experience weightlessness? Weightlessness. Where do we experience it? We experience weightlessness in space. Those who go up with rockets and fly in space, they do experience a weightless state, a totally weightless state. 15th question. What do you call a group of stars? A group of stars in the sky. You connect them and make them into a certain shape and you name them. What do you call a group of stars in the sky? Constellation. A group of stars is called constellation. 16th question. Which bird never builds a nest of its own? Which bird never builds a nest of its own? It is the cuckoo. Cuckoo never builds a nest of its own. It always lays its eggs in nests built by other birds, usually crow. Mostly it lays its eggs in crow's nest. 17th question. What do you call the hollow biting teeth of poisonous snakes? What do you call the hollow biting teeth of poisonous snakes? Fangs. Fangs they are called. They are hollow inside. As the snake bites, the poison from the poison sacs which are linked to the teeth, they flow through the hollow tube inside and will enter the wounds made by the teeth. The teeth would bite and poison will enter through the hollow tubule into the blood of the victim. 18th question. What do you call the green pigment in plants? What do you call the green pigment in the leaves of the plants? We call the green pigment as chlorophyll. It's called as chlorophyll. It's with the help of the chlorophyll plants prepare food. We know it. 19th. Why do flowers have a sweet smell? Why do flowers have a sweet smell? Flowers, they have fragrance. This fragrance is mainly to attract insects. Insects have to visit flowers, and pollen has to get shifted from one flower to the other. Fertilization has to take place. Thereby seeds are produced, and these seeds, they give birth to the next generation of plants. So the object here is mainly to attract insects. 20th question. Which fruit is easy to be peeled and eaten? Which fruit is easy to be peeled and eaten? It is banana. Bananas are very easy to be eaten, peeled up and eat. Yeah, 20 questions are over. We close here. Thank you.